Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 6115R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Comes with a John Deere H340 quick attach front loader. The front loader is self-leveling. Has the factory joystick on it as well. Has the global carrier up here for your bucket connection. Has the front weight carrier, front grill guard. Tractor was a local tractor. It's in very nice shape, obviously, as you can tell here. Tires do have a little wear in the front, but certainly are very usable. Have the front fenders on it. Single point connector for your hose connection. Corner post exhaust. Two panoramic doors here on the cab. It's got the buttons back here for your PTO and your 3-point. Work lights on the cab. Triple rear remotes. 540 and 1000 PTO. Engine will regen, but it does not require the DEF. It's got the beltline lights on it. It's a nice clean tractor. Inside the cab, it's got the air IC here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, clutch pedal, individual brakes, foot throttle, and a differential lock there in the center on the floor. Power reverser up here on the steering column allows you to change direction without clutching. Has a 24-speed AutoQuad transmission. You've got 6 ranges in the tractor and then a 4-speed power shift within each range. You can also shift that power shift to shift automatically with that AutoQuad. Also has the joystick here with the shift controls on it, so you can operate the loader and shift your transmission without moving your hand. Has a command center over there to the right. Triple remote levers also to the right. PTO and 3-point controls also over there to the right. Up top you've got climate controls, radio, rear view mirror, and sun visor. We do take trades. We can basically work off of pictures. If you want to send us some pictures, we can certainly help you with your trade-in. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. And also offer or arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.